Hola, Colombia. Buenos dias. I'm Subramanian, in short, Subbu, the CEO of Pratian Technologies, a company which is headquartered in India in a city called Bangalore, which is the new IT capital of the world. We service clients in Singapore, the Asia Pac geographies, the Middle East geographies, and also in US. We have offices in US, in Florida, and we currently specialize in building large enterprise applications and very focused on building large healthcare solutions. Every time I think about Colombia, I have an instant smile on my face. I have been to Colombia twice before, visiting different companies and places in Bogota, in Medellin. I love the people, I love the culture, the language, the hospitality. I'm so fortunate to have a brilliant team in Colombia who inspire me to do more work to impact young talent in Colombia. Our team has people including Alexander, Mauricio, Jessica, Denise, Tatiana, Leo, to name a few, who are very committed to making a deep impact on young talent in Colombia. We would like to bring our initiative in education and innovation and entrepreneurship called Global Edify to Colombia. We would like to identify top young talent in Colombia and fully sponsor a 2-month training program and 2 months of working along with our technology team in building large real-world applications. So in these 4 months, people will learn a host of technologies, learn how to build enterprise applications, do the real thing, look at how to attend conference calls, work across time zones, across cultures, across geographies, build large scalable applications, and acquire those skills which are very critical to becoming a seasoned professional. We believe after this program, people will not only be able to find good jobs, but become premium talent, embark on doing more research and innovation, and I would love to incubate young entrepreneurs who can build innovative solutions. We would also like to have a team of people from Colombia visiting us in Bangalore, working with us on our projects in Florida with our Florida team, and we would like to fully sponsor their travel, their education costs, and also their work with us as they learn how to become a seasoned professional. I have met with different people, different companies in Colombia. It clearly looks like Colombia is recouping. It has its days of history, which it has successfully overcome. Looks like a young nation which is on the rise. People do find increasing self-belief, and I believe that the geography, the proximity to US can make Colombian economy boom. We would like to contribute to the growth of people in Colombia and create high quality technology workforce. While I know Colombia is looking at creating hundreds of thousands of jobs in IT, ITES, and back office, we would like to create an extraordinary talent pool of 1,000 young Colombians who should be the best talent in the world, lead and inspire other people, become young entrepreneurs, and create more jobs. I'm so happy that we have been given this opportunity by you. I feel truly honored and humbled by all the support we've been receiving from different universities, from different companies in Colombia. We are very close to realizing this dream of having people from 10 countries, which include the US, the Mexico, Colombia, Romania, South Africa, the UK, the Singapore, China, Australia, New Zealand, work with people from India, my country. They all come together, work as one team, learn together, and go out becoming fully trained talent and start a great professional career. I would love to keep this program as a sponsored program, impact more and more people, and hopefully create more and more jobs while incubating bright talent, which is part of our larger vision. Once again, I fully thank you for this opportunity. I look forward to meeting you in Colombia, and thanks a lot. Ciao.